This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Honda CR-V Bluetooth. First, ensure your Honda CR-V is safely in park and the engine is running. Then, locate the phone button on your dashboard and press it. The system will ask if you want to add a new device. Select Yes. Simultaneously, make sure your mobile phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to be discoverable by other devices. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, on your mobile phone, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see Hands-Free Link or Honda CR-V appear in the list. Select it. Both your phone and the CR-V's display will show a 6-digit pairing code. Carefully compare these codes to ensure they match exactly. Once confirmed, accept the connection on both your phone and the vehicle's screen to proceed. After successfully confirming the pairing code, your Honda CR-V's display will show a confirmation message, indicating a successful connection. Simultaneously, your mobile phone will display Connected next to Hands-Free Link. With your device now paired, you can effortlessly make and receive phone calls using the vehicle's controls, keeping your hands safely on the steering wheel. You can also enjoy streaming your favorite audio directly through the CR-V's sound system. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your phone's operating system is fully updated. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your mobile phone and the Honda CR-V's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try deleting any previous Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the vehicle's memory. For more specific guidance or persistent issues, always refer to your Honda CR-V owner's manual for detailed instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.